So I received your question. You want to solve this system of equations. I guess you use elimination method. You eliminate either x or y, wouldn't matter which. If we eliminate x, we have a 15 and a 5. Smallest thing they both go into is 15. So I need additive opposites. I'll multiply top one by -3. So if I multiply top equation by -3, that would give me minus 15x squared minus 15y squared equal -180. Then I just recopy the bottom equation. So 15x squared plus 15y squared equal positive 180. So I multiplied the top equation by -3, and here's the result. Well, just recopy the bottom equation, no changes. And now I add. So you add, you have 0x squares. You also have 0y squares. And you have 0 here. Well, that's a true statement. And anytime you end up with a true statement, it just means one of them's a multiple of the other. And there's infinitely many solutions. You know, any ordered pair that works in one will also work in the other. It's a circle, radius square root of 12. I hope this helps.